Oh shit! Mech down, mech down. 2 dead, 2 soldiers dead. Not like this! Not like this! Yeah. Hello, child beater.
Oh, you can save me, hello.
The spawns will be bad, enjoy them. There's only 3 of us.
Maybe.
Okay, good news for us, they friendly fired like 4 times, so 5 times.
Oh, wait, turn on.
Am I shooting you?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Jesus
Christ.
Fuck.
I'm moving into the town. I'm trying to turn
My favourite safety is flipping the car.
Okay, that was that a man driver that just said that?
Okay, okay, alright, everything's
Oh, I
fine.
see a thing.
Alright.
How are you doing, fellow T-poser?
This animation got removed at some point. Whoa, okay, that's a fun one.
Why is there a mech
Hello.
flying in the sky?
That's me!
Oh! Come back to Earth! I can't, I'm not
I
respawning.
cannot sprint anymore.
I think the server's probably crashed.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was like
straight up.
Oh
firing,
yeah, everybody else is disappeared.
firing very little.
And
Yeah,
I can't run
server
anymore.
definitely crashed.
Ethan, I think the server's crashed.
Yeah, server crashed.
Just can't sprint.
Yikes.
Well, blue team won that.
Server bet the DOS, unfortunately.
Yahoo!